Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now when it comes to skincare, if there's any skincare step that we may bear repeating, it is cleansing. In fact, it's so popular that it has got a name to it and it's called double cleansing, which remains to be the backbone of my skin, and I'm sure a lot of skincare enthusiasts follow the routine of double cleansing. I'm sure a lot of you must be wondering as to what double cleansing is. Why do you need to do that extra step in your skincare routine? Is it really worth it? Does everybody need to do so? Today we're going to understand everything about double cleansing. Now I like to define double cleansing as using two different types of cleansers. The first one being a micellar water, which removes all the makeup from your face, the sunscreen, which I'm assuming everyone is wearing these days, right? Any sort of pollutants, debris or impurities that are there on your face, which you may not even see from your naked eye. And then the second step of double cleansing is using a gentle facial cleanser. So these two steps combined together is called double cleansing, which is my everyday skincare regime. Like, this is something that I do on an everyday basis, whether I'm wearing makeup or even if I'm not wearing makeup. I religiously make sure to do double cleansing every day. Now, since we are already speaking about double cleansing in detail, let's also understand what is micellar water. Micellar water is a skincare product which has micelles in it, which basically makes sure to remove all the makeup that you have on your face, any sort of pollutants, the dirt, the everyday grime that your face has. And honestly, your face also produces a lot of oil throughout the day naturally, which can attract a lot of grime and dirt. So that also is removed with the help of using a micellar water. My go-to favorite is the Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Cleansing Water. This is something that I have been using from a very long time now. So my double cleansing routine starts with this one. In order to use it, just pour, press and swipe. I use this every day in my routine. It's the best to take off my taste buildup, which helps get rid of the dirt, impurities, makeup. And honestly, this removes all of this in just one single swipe without leaving your skin dry or without leaving any sticky residue on your facial skin. So this is something which is very important for me because this plays a very vital role in my skincare routine, and this is the reason why I have such a good skin. This is not at all harsh on the skin. In fact, it's extremely gentle. It's suitable for all skin types and it is paraben and sulphate free. Also, along with removing all the impurities in makeup, it also gives that skin brightening effect. And it also gives that natural glow. It imparts that glow to your face and gives a chance to your skin to just naturally breathe. This step creates a clean base for your other skincare products to penetrate better, after which I follow it up with a face wash. Now the Garnier Micellar Water comes in three variants in total. This is the first one, this is the cleansing water. Then there is a vitamin C micellar water, which is a great option for cleansing plus brightening up dull skin. And then there is an oil infused micellar water. So this one is perfect for everyday use, while the oil infused micellar water is great for days when you have heavy waterproof makeup on your face. So I'm going to have the link of all the products in the description box below. Definitely check it out. I hope this video was helpful for you. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you very soon. Bye.